Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply YouTube marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of YouTube and on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate YouTube marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest YouTube marketing strategies. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1. What is YouTube marketing all about? Video number 2. Creating and optimizing a branded YouTube channel. Video number 3. Enabling monetization on your channel. Video number 4. Picking a profitable niche and doing keyword research. Video number 5. Raking a video the right way. Video number 6. Making money with direct affiliate links. Video number 7. Using end-of-video calls to action to send people to your store. Video number 8. Making money by jacking product launches. Video number 9. Making money by renting annotation space. Video number 10. Using YouTube to raise money with PayPal.me. Video number 11. Promoting your videos for cheap with AdWords. Video number 12. How to find direct sponsorship deals, PowerPoint. Video number 13. How to increase watch times, engagement, and other metrics. Video number 14. Search engine optimization strategies that make money. Video number 15. Must know YouTube best practices for business. Video number 16. Alternative monetization strategies to consider. Video number 17. Do's and don'ts. Video number 18. Premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19. Shocking case studies. Video number 20. Frequently asked questions. It's time for you to start getting the most out of YouTube marketing. I know you'll love this training.